Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can convert any Excel file into any PDF file. If you want to convert any Excel file into a PDF file, the most easiest and best method is to use any online tool that helps you convert between the two extensions. Now, one such tool is I Love PDF. To access it, you can open any browser of your choice and then in the search bar type for I Love PDF. This is a free website and a tool which helps you convert between these extensions, especially specializing in the PDF. Now click on the website. Then once you are in this particular page, you can see the Excel to PDF button. Simply click on the Excel to PDF button. Then the prompt will appear asking you to select the Excel file that you want to convert to PDF. Click on this button, then simply navigate to the file where your Excel file is stored.